Tonight, man. All right, tonight we got 2020 football, all retail. We got the value pack, Panini Contenders. We got 2 blaster box of Panini Contenders. Then we've got a hanger of Playbook and a mega of Playbook. And we'll just get started with the value pack. Alright, let me make sure our camera is lined up good here. Alright, we'll go through the veterans. We got Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield. We got DeAndre Hopkins, Phillip Rivers, Big Ben. We got Dak, Jason Witten, Teddy Bridgewater. We got Dalvin Cook, Myles Garrett, Sterling Shepard, Mark Ingram, Jared Goff. We got Lamar, A.J. Brown. We got Kerryon Johnson, Carson Wentz, and David Montgomery. We got a winning ticket, Aaron Rodgers. Got MVP contenders, Tom Brady. J.K. Dobbins for Baltimore. And MVP contenders green, Patrick Mahomes for KC. Patrick Mahomes going to Kip. Baltimore going to Mark. And Tom Brady going to Jack. All right, Playbook hanger. Alright, we'll go through the veterans. DK Metcalf, Carson Wentz, D.D. Westbrook, Adam Thielen, Austin Hooper, Tom Brady. We got Adam Jones, Joey Bosa, A.J. Brown. We got Aaron Rodgers, Devin Bush. Got Leighton Vander Esch, Sammy Watkins, Kenny Golladay, Juju, and Teddy B. And we got another Brady for Jack. Right. We got a next up, Darrington Evans for the Titans. Now we got Zone and Commission, Josh Jacobs. Got Joshua Kelly for the Chargers. Mitchell Trubisky. Chargers going to Terry. And we got the Titans also going to Terry. And we got Jason Huntley for the Eagles. Laviska Shenault, Jaguars. Trayvon Diggs for the Cowboys. Devin Duvernay, Baltimore. Jeremy Chin, Carolina. Hey, Terry. We got an orange, Aaron Donald. Dak Prescott. Orange, Patrick Mahomes. Harrison Bryant, which is going to the Browns. Then we got Jaguars, Kalevion Chasen, orange. Patty Mahomes for Kip. And the Jaguars going to Terry. All right, Panini Contenders, blaster number 1. Wow, another Tom Brady. All right, Drew Lock, Tre'Davious White, Josh Allen, Sam Darnold, got DJ Moore, Ryan Fitzpatrick, and another Patrick Mahomes. Winning ticket. Third Patrick Mahomes. And Tom Brady number 3. All right, we got Alvin Kamara, we got Todd Gurley, Jalen Ramsey, Julian Edelman, we got Aaron Rodgers, TJ Watt, Zeke, and we got a round numbers, Lynn Bowden and Brian Edwards for Las Vegas Raiders. Las Vegas going to William. All right, we got Ryan Tannehill, Marvin Jones, Richard Sherman, Roquan Smith. We got Cortland Sutton, Miles Sanders, Joe Mixon, and for the Colts, we got Michael Pittman. Michael Pittman going to Fred. Right, we got Melvin Gordon, Alshon Jeffrey, DJ Chark. We got Cam, Kyler Murray, Joey Bosa, Chris Godwin, and we got legendary contenders, Dan Marino, kid reporter. Got Drew Brees, Julio, Keenan Allen, Gronk. We got Marlon Mack. We got AJ Green. And we got a Jerry Jeudy patch. Rookie ticket for Denver. And Cam Akers for the Rams. All right, Cam Akers going to Jamie. And the patch for Denver going to Mark. All right, blaster box number 2. Alright, let's see if we can get an auto out of this one. Right, we got DK, Odell Beckham, Danny Dimes, we got Travis Kelce, Deshaun, Russell Wilson, got Baker, and we got Dak for the Cowboys, MVP contenders. And for some reason, we got 2 kid reporters. All right, we got Josh Allen, Preston Williams, Dwayne Haskins, Devontae Adams. We got Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, Adam Thielen, and we got the round numbers. Michael Pittman, Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. Indianapolis going to Fred. All right, we got Jared Goff, LVE, Leighton Vander Esch, Le'Veon Bell, Saquon. We got Darius Leonard, James Conner, Amari Cooper, and Dion, kid reporter. Got Nick Bosa, Myles Garrett, Sterling Shepard, Mark Ingram. We got Brandon Cooks, Tyler Lockett, Nick Chubb, and Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. Eagles going to Kip. Let's see if we can get something good out of this pack. We got Gardner Minshew. We got Adrian Peterson, Aaron Jones. We got DJ Moore, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Tyrann Mathieu, and we got an auto of Keyshawn Vaughn for Tampa Bay. Then we got Lamar on MVP contenders, kid reporter. Keyshawn Vaughn auto going to Jack, not numbered. Nice looking card. All right, we got a mega playbook. I should say playbook mega. All right, here we go, guys. All right, we got Sam Darnold, Chris Godwin, orange, Deshaun. Hey, there's Justin Herbert. And DJ Dallas for Seattle. Chargers going to Terry. Alright, looks like we got a thick card in here. We got Teddy Bridgewater. And we got a patch of Sam Darnold for the Jets. We got zoning commission, Damian Harris. We got Raekwon Davis for the Dolphins. Isaiah Simmons for Arizona. You got a patch of Sam Darnold. Not the one we was wanting to see, but this is Jets going to Jamie. Got Juju, Tyler Boyd, We got an orange, Christian Fulton. We got Jeff Gladney for Minnesota. Zach Moss for Buffalo. All right, last pack, guys, and we'll do a quick recap. We got Kenny Golladay, Dalvin Cook. Got a next up, a KJ Hamler for the Broncos. Josiah DeGura, Green Bay. And Jalen Rieger for Philadelphia. Alright, guys, do a quick recap. Alright, patch of Sam Darnold. We got Michael Pittman, Tom Brady, Jalen Rieger, Patrick Mahomes green, Jerry Jeudy patch, Patrick Mahomes orange, round numbers for the Raiders. Tom Brady, winning ticket, Patrick Mahomes, orange of Kalavion Chasen. Next up, Darrington Evans and Joshua Kelly. We got Tom Brady. Then we got Cam Akers, round numbers for the Colts. We got J.K. Dobbins. Next up, KJ Hamler, Jalen Rieger, auto, Keyshawn Vaughn, and Justin Herbert. All right, guys, that's all we got tonight. Appreciate you guys. Hope to see you on the next one.